Filipino soldiers who defended our nation during World War II. Today, we honor their heroism, their resilience, and their ultimate sacrifice for the freedom we enjoy today.
Created and wounded. Many did not make it, but there are also men who survived, gaya po ni Ginoong Laurencio Esteban. This day is a living reminder of the courage and sacrifices of our heroes who fought valiantly during the Battle of Bataan. They stood their ground, held the line, and showed the world that Filipino bravery knows no limit. Today we remember their pain, their perseverance, and their undying love for our country. But beyond remembering, today is also a call for us to reflect. How do we honor the legacy of our heroes in today's world? In our world, or in our work as public servants, in our lives as citizens, in the way we uphold truth, justice, and freedom. These are our modern expressions of kalitingan. Naway, alalahanin natin ang naging sakripisyo ng ating mga sundalo sa lugar ng Bataan at magsilbi itong inspirasyon sa atin na mamuhay na matapat, matuwid, mapagkawang gawa, makatao, makabayan. Ngunit sa kabila ng tagumpay ng ating mga ninuno laban sa mga dayuhang mananakop, may isa pang laban na dapat nating harapin ngayon, ang laban kontra sa korupsyon.